Welcome to the best picks. The best fermentation jar is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own. Whether you're a seasoned fermenter or just starting out, a good fermentation jar is essential for creating delicious and healthy foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great fermentation jar and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. 1791 gallon glass jars with lid, 2-pack. These jars feature a wide 4 to 1/3 inch opening, making it easy to fill and clean. It's perfect for a variety of uses, from canning to fermenting. The wide mouth design makes it convenient to access the contents. Use it as a reliable canning jar. The sturdy construction and included lid ensure a tight seal, preserving your favorite foods. This jar is ideal for preserving your harvest. This 1-gallon jar is also great for making pickles. Its large capacity is perfect for storing and fermenting. You can easily create delicious homemade pickles. This extra-large mason jar is perfect for fermenting. It provides ample space for your ingredients to mix and ferment. It's a great choice for making kombucha or kimchi. This 1-gallon glass jar with a lid is perfect to use as a kimchi jar. The size is ideal for storing and fermenting kimchi. You can easily make and store your kimchi. What we like. This jar boasts a wide mouth, making it easy to fill and clean. With its generous gallon capacity, it's perfect for large batches. If you're looking to ferment kombucha, store pickles, or simply need a reliable food storage solution, this jar is a great choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy making large quantities of fermented goods. What people say. They came with a nice square of muslin cloth and a big rubber band inside each, and were packaged nicely. These two jars have an extra strong airtight lid and a rubber band to hold the muslin cloth for draining, what store products have not. They even came with squares of cheesecloth and rubber bands to fit over the opening for straining liquids. Number 4. Wide mouth 1-gallon glass jar with lid, 4 pk. This jar features a wide mouth, making it easy to fill and clean. The opening is 4 to 1/3 inches in diameter. It's perfect for various uses. Use this gallon jar for canning your favorite foods. It comes with a lid, making it ideal for preserving and storing items. This jar is a great choice. This 1-gallon jar is also great for pickling. Its size and shape are perfect for storing pickles and other fermented foods. It is a versatile choice. With a 128-ounce capacity, this extra-large mason jar provides ample space. It's perfect for large batches of kombucha or sun tea. You will love it. This jar is perfect for fermenting. It's the ideal size for making kimchi or other fermented foods. It is a great addition to your kitchen. What we like. The wide mouth design makes it easy to add ingredients and clean. The airtight plastic lids ensure a secure seal, keeping your ferments fresh. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use jar for kombucha or sun tea, this is the one. It's a great option for those who want a simple and effective fermentation solution. What people say. The mouth of the jar is easy to fit my hand into for cleaning. Each jar comes with a linen, cloth and large rubber band for making kombucha. The lids are easy to use and keep a good seal. Number 3. 1-gallon glass jar with lid. You'll receive 2 giant mason jars with lids and handles. These gallon jars are perfect for brewing, fermenting, or storing anything you like. This gallon jar is perfect for making large quantities of fermented foods and drinks. It's great for kombucha, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and more. An airtight seal keeps food fresher for longer. You can store dry foods like rice and pasta, or wet foods like sauces. It's perfect for the pantry, fridge, or kitchen. With a wide 4-inch mouth, it's easy to fill with large fruits and vegetables. The wide mouth also makes it convenient to clean thoroughly. Perfect for preserving and canning. This large jar is great for kombucha, pickles, peaches, carrots, jams, and more. What we like. This jar features a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning, and an airtight seal to keep your food fresh. It's perfect for fermenting a variety of foods and drinks. If you like the idea of a versatile jar that can handle both wet and dry ingredients, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The handle is super secure. Will not fall off. High quality, sturdy glass jugs. The glass is nice and thick, the handles are very sturdy and can easily handle the weight of a full jar, and mine even came with an extra spout for pouring. Number 2. Humble House 1.3 gallon Sauerkrock fermentation crock. This is the Humble House Sauerkrock, perfect for making sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles. It's an easy and healthy way to ferment food at home, providing more probiotics and nutrients. The 1.3 gallon Sauerkrock is ideal for small batches, holding over 7 pounds of vegetables. It's about 10 inches wide and 12 inches tall, perfect for your kitchen. The water channel creates an airlock, keeping out dust and dirt while letting fermentation gases escape. This ensures a safe and effective fermentation process. Made with high-quality ceramic and a lead-free glaze, this crock is built to last. It provides a stable environment for your ferments and looks great in any kitchen. The kit includes a wood tamper and glazed weights to keep your vegetables submerged. This helps to create better fermentation and prevents staining or funky smells. Humble House stands by their products, offering a lifetime warranty. If you have any issues, they are there to help and make things right. This Sauerkrock is a thoughtful gift for any home fermenter. They will love making their own sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and kombucha with this kit. What we like? This crock is made from durable ceramic and features a water channel airlock, creating an ideal environment for fermentation. It comes with weights and a tamper, making it a complete kit. If you are looking for a traditional and effective way to ferment sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These Humble House crocks are a perfect size for one-person jobs or for small batch experimentation. The glaze and finish of the Humble House crocks is excellent. The crock itself is well made. The weights fit inside easily. The lid had a well that holds water to seal it shut. There is a nice wood dowel for tamping down the cabbage. Number 1. JILLMO 2-liter fermenting jar kit, pack of 2. This fermentation jar is made from lead-free, clear, and thick glass, ensuring safety during use. It's designed to be a reliable choice for all your fermenting needs. The kit includes 2 fermentation jars, weights, airlocks, and seals. Everything you need to start fermenting is right here, offering great value. The jar features a wide mouth, making it easy to get your hands inside. This design simplifies the process of adding and removing ingredients. Equipped with an airtight seal lid and silicone grommet, this kit is perfect for fermenting. It ensures a controlled environment for your sauerkraut, wine, and other ferments. This sauerkraut jar kit is easy to set up and is also dishwasher safe. It's designed for convenience, making your fermentation process simple and hassle-free. What we like? This jar is made from lead-free glass and comes with weights and airlocks, providing everything you need to start fermenting. The wide mouth makes it easy to get your hands inside. If you are a beginner looking for a simple and complete fermentation kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The 2-liter glass jar is made from thick, durable glass that withstands the rigors of fermentation. The kit includes fermenting weights made from food-grade materials like ceramic or glass. These weights help keep vegetables submerged in brine, preventing exposure to air and reducing the risk of mold or spoilage during fermentation. Each jar comes equipped with airlocks, which create an airtight seal while allowing carbon dioxide to escape. This helps maintain an anaerobic environment essential for successful fermentation, minimizing the chances of contamination and ensuring consistent results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.